Are you self-employed or running a business and feeling overwhelmed by the P&L section of your online income tax return? Don't worry, this quick guide will walk you through filling out your profit and loss summary accurately, making tax filing a breeze. First, log into the income tax filing portal using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the section for filing your income tax return and select the assessment year for which you are filing. Now, locate the P&L summary section. This is where you'll report all your business income and expenses. Start with the income side. Carefully enter your gross receipts or sales. This is the total revenue your business earned before deducting any expenses. Next, move on to the expenses side. This is where you'll list all the deductible expenses your business incurred. Common categories include cost of goods sold, rent, utilities, salaries, and depreciation. Be meticulous and ensure you have proper documentation for each expense to support your claim. Most online tax portals offer drop-down menus for expense categories, making it easy to select the right one. Simply input the corresponding amount for each category. The portal should automatically calculate your net profit or loss by subtracting total expenses from your total income. Review the calculated net profit or loss figure carefully. Make sure it aligns with your own calculations and financial records. If you notice any discrepancies, double-check your entries and supporting documents. Once you are confident that all the information is accurate, proceed to submit your income tax return. Now you have successfully filled the P&L summary on your online income tax return.